Learn with Yogesh sir. Learn.
Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Yogesh sir. You are watching class 3 English textbook Santosh chapter wise explanation series, and today in this video bachcho I will explain chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Best Friends. So this is story about friends, a story about shapes working together and creating wonders. So let's start bachcho. Meet our four best friends. Who are these? So let's see. Once upon a time there were four friends, and the name were circle, sphere, triangle, and rectangle. So they lived happily together, but one day a big fight began between them. Each of them claimed to be the absolute best. So they were fighting with each other, claiming that I am the best. So these are some details about different shapes, different friends. Like first one is circle. All of you know that circle, round and smooth, lovely smiling faces and no sharp edges. Then next is bachcho square. All of you know that there are four equal sides like sweet burfis, equal sides. Then next is bachcho triangle, three sharp sides like tall mountain, yummy snack shapes. Then next is bachcho rectangle, and what is in rectangle? Two long and two short sides like yummy biscuit, useful folders. So so as they were fighting, so first of all circle said, what did he say? I am the best, I am round and beautiful, I have no sharp edges. Children use me to draw smiling faces. There are so many beautiful things in my shape. I am the best. So these are some example of circle, like smiling faces, beautiful playful balls, giant wheels, shiny coins, roti and chapati. So many things are there, and these are vocabulary which we have used here. Like round means बच्चों गोल, sharp edges means तीखे किनारे, smiling face मतलब हंसता हुआ चेहरा. Then square said, the next friend, he said, I am the best. Why I am best? Because I have four sides and all of them are equal in size. सभी की सभी बराबर है. Children eat many sweets which are square in shape. I look very beautiful, so I am the best. And these are some example of me, like yummy sweets, gift boxes, spaces, windows, photo frames, chairs, and carom board. These are some vocabulary. Equal in size means बराबर आकार. Sweets means बच्चों मिठाई. Refused to agree means असहमत होना या deny कर देना, reject कर देना. Then it is turn of triangle now. He said in a loud voice, what did he say? I am the best. Just look at me. I have three sides. Children use me to draw mountains. They enjoy many yummy snacks in my shape, so I am the best. These are some examples of me. Tall mountains, watermelon, pizza slices, crispy samosas, tasty sandwiches, colorful flags, and vocabulary related to this is loud voice means तेज आवाज, three sides तीन भुजाएं, yummy snacks means स्वादिष्ट नाश्ता. And now the last friend, who is it? It is बच्चों rectangle. So rectangle laughed aloud and said, what did he say? Of course not. No one can be better than me because I have four sides. Two are equally long and two are equally short. Children enjoy biscuits and chocolates in rectangle shape. So I am the best. My examples are sweet chocolates, crunchy biscuits, storybooks, paper envelopes, classroom blackboards. So, and vocabulary related to this is equally long बराबर लंबा, equally short बराबर छोटा, laughed aloud मतलब जोर से हंसा. So how they will decide who is best? So the friends argued and argued but couldn't decide who was the best among them. So finally they decided to ask the very first person they meet on their way. So after some time they met a star. They stopped her and told her of their fight. They asked her to be the judge and decide who was the best among them. So what do you think, students? Will the star choose the circle? Will the star choose the square? Will she choose the triangle or rectangle? Or does she have a wise secret plan? So, and one more question for you. What will you decide according to you? Who is best among them? You can write in comment box. So let's see what did the star decide? So the wise star thought and said, what did he say? He said, all of you are best, all of you are friends, then why should you fight? Let me tell you something very important. When what is this? This is, do you know what you could do if you were together? You could create the most beautiful pictures and patterns, as you can see here in the background, like mountains, they are made of triangles, sun made of our circle, and all the other things like the road, it is made of rectangle. Okay, so just look around you and we find amazing designs and things in all the shapes. So stop fighting, together we all can create wonders. So this was the answer of wise star. So are they satisfied with the answer of star? So let's see. So the friends realized their mistakes and they felt sorry for fighting and calling themselves superior. So they promised, what did they promise? They promised each other that they would never fight again. They remained best friends forever and ever. So this is the golden rules of friendship. What is this बच्चों? We all are unique and special. हम सब खास है. We support each other strength. हम एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. वी डोंट आर्ग्यू अबाउट हु इज सुपीरियर. हमें इस बारे में बहस नहीं करनी चाहिए कि कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है. टुगेदर वी कैन अचीव वंडरफुल थिंग्स. अगर हम एक साथ हैं तो एक साथ मिलकर हम बहुत कुछ हासिल कर सकते हैं, जो कि हमारे लिए इम्पॉसिबल भी हम वो भी हासिल कर सकते हैं. So after this beautiful story बच्चों, there are some questions we have to write their answers. So the first question is, who are the four friends? So it's quite easy बच्चों. The four friends were circle, square, triangle and rectangle. Why were they fighting? So they were fighting because they were believing that I am the best. So they were saying themselves the best one. So that's why this was the argument between them. Who helped them to end their fight? So a wise star helped to end their fight. And how did he help them? He explained that they all are important and best when they are together. So next question is, what lesson did the friends learn in the end? So they learned that they should stop fighting. Together they can create beautiful patterns and create wonders. Next is, who is your best friend? What are the things you can do when your friends help you? So you have to write the answer of this question by yourself, because I don't know what is the name of your best friend. So you will write the name of your best friend, and you have to tell what are the things you can do and when when your friend helps you. So next question is, look around you, talk about the shapes of what you see. So you have to look around in your classroom and find out the shapes in different things, like blackboard is rectangle, a wall clock is circle, the tile on the floor is a square, and my lunchbox or sandwich is a triangle. So statement true or false, we have to find the given statement true or false. The first statement is, the circle doesn't have sharp edges. Obviously it is true, it is curved. A sphere has four sides, but not all of them are equal in size. So the first part is true, but your sphere has four sides. And second part, that is wrong, false. What is that? But not all of them are equal in size. They all are equal in size. So this is false, bachcho. C is the triangle has two sides. False, it has three sides. D is the friends could decide who was the best among them. No, they couldn't decide by themselves. So that's why they took the help of a wise star. Okay, so read this line, bachcho. A pigeon and an ant became friends. So when you will look at it closely, bachcho, you can see here before pigeon we are using here a, and before ant we are using an. Why this difference? Why we are using different words here? Actually, when we read a word and it start with a consonant, all of you know that what are consonant letters, like B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, all these are consonants. So when any word like noun start with consonant, before that we use a article. Okay, and on the other hand, when it start with the vowels, like there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, so before that we use N. So here ant, ant's first letter is A is a vowel बच्चों, so that's why before that we are using a and an. And on the other hand, pigeon, first letter is बच्चों P. P is a consonant, so that's why a pigeon. I hope you understood this. So coming to next, we have to fill the blanks with proper article a or n. So dog. So before dog, बच्चों, what we will use? We will use a dog because D is a consonant. Then cow, before cow we will use a cow. Cow, C is consonant. Sparrow, S is बच्चों consonant, so a sparrow. Okay, and like eagle, eagles बच्चों first letter is E. E is the vowel, so an eagle. Okay, then again brown, so B, brown, B is बच्चों consonant, so a brown. Eagle, again eagle, E is a vowel, so an eagle. Apricot, A is again vowel, so an apricot बच्चों. Okay, and orange, orange, O is बच्चों vowel, so an orange. Fill in the blanks about your friends. You have to write the information about your friend, like his name. My best friend name is, you have to write the name of your best friend. He is a boy or girl, so you have to write about this. He is dash years old. How old is he? His favorite color, he like to play, and he want to become. So you have to write all these things, the answers in the blanks. And finally, I love my friend. मैं अपने दोस्त से प्यार करता हूँ. Let us explore creating art shapes. So what we have to do here, we have to use the all four shapes: circle, rectangle, square and triangle, and we have to draw a house, a tree and a train using these shapes. So these are the hints given here. Like for wall, what you can use? For wall you can use rectangle and square. For roof you can use triangle. For door, narrow rectangle. Window, small square. Chimney, small rectangle. So rhyme time, what do you do? We have to sing this, so sing along with action. Who are you and what do you do? We are friends, we chirp and sing. Who are you and what do you do? We are monkeys, we jump and swing. Who are you and what do you do? We are dogs, we run and bark. Who are you and what do you do? We are cats, we mew in the dark. Who are you and what do you do? We are elephants with razor tongues. Who are you and what do you do? We are lions, we roar and hunt. So in the last बच्चों rapid fire quiz. So you have to tell the answer, like who told the shape they all are unique and can make wonders together. So who told this? A wise star told this. Which word should we use and before? So where we use and before the word? So in umbrella, before that we will use and because it's a vowel. What do monkeys do in the animal rhyme? So in animal rhyme, monkeys are jumping and swing. So jump and swing. How many equal sides does a sphere have? So 4 equal sides a sphere has. So this is all about this video, bachcho. If this video is useful for you, then like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video.